start the class. So today we discuss something about your process scheduling. So do you have any idea about what is a process? What is a deadlock? You have perhaps read it in the database also, I think. So do you have any
Yes,
idea?
sir.
Can you share with me what is a deadlock? What is a process?
Deadlock.
What is a deadlock?
Deadlock. So deadlock is a situation that of processor are blocked. Each process is holding a resource.
Hmm. Okay, tell. Correct. You are correct. Tell. Process.
Okay. So ठीक कहा ना मैंने थोड़ा
You are correct. You explain.
पर explain
Saslam, explain.
सर मैं और एक दिन एक्सप्लेन करूँगा आज थोड़ा
Busy हो.
सर
दीपांजना को कर देंगे
नहीं सर उसका कल रात को उसका मामा मतलब कोविड में डेथ हो गए
वो जिसको लेके गए थे अगरतला.
हाँ
यस
हाँ
सर
कल
कैसे कैसे क्या हुआ फिर? कैसे सेट हो गया इतने जल्दी?
अचानक सर रात को 11 बजे सर उसके बाद वो और कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया सर अचानक से रात में
हार्ट अटैक जैसा
ब्रीथिंग
हुआ क्या? हार्ट अटैक जैसा?
ब्रीथिंग 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 में प्रॉब्लम
ब्रीथिंग में प्रॉब्लम. अच्छा. सबके साथ सब एरिया में हो रहा है ऐसा. Okay. Okay, let's see this figure. I guess you are able to see my screen. You see, this is a process
यस सर
in operating system. It is a process and it is a process. Suppose this process 1 is currently assigned to resource 1. Means it is contains resource 1. Resource 1 is assigned to process 1, and at the same time the process 1 is waiting for the completion of this resource. Completion its process, it needs resource 2, and at the same time this resource 2 is held by this process 2, and it is waiting for the resource 1 for completing its process. Are you able to understand this figure, or I will explain it more simply? समझ में आ रहा है ये फिगर?
सर एक्टिंग कीजिए फिर
मतलब मेरे को सपोज मेरा दो प्रोसेस मतलब मैं चाह रहा हूँ मेरा प्रोसेस है मैं एक प्रिंट करूँगा और एक टाइप करूँगा, और टाइप कंप्लीशन सपोज करने के बाद मैं सेव करने जा रहा हूँ. तो वाइल आई एम सेविंग आई नीड ए रिसोर्स. मुझे एक रिसोर्स चाहिए जो रिसोर्स की मेरा प्रिंट ऑप्शन के पास है. मैं जब तक वो प्रिंट ऑप्शन उस रिसोर्स को रिलीज नहीं करेगा तब तक मुझे वो रिसोर्स नहीं मिलेगा, तब तक मैं सेव नहीं कर पाऊँगा. एट द सेम टाइम प्रिंटर के पास एक रिसोर्स है जो मुझे चाहिए, लेकिन प्रिंटर को और एक रिसोर्स चाहिए कंप्लीशन करने के लिए, जो एट रिसोर्स इज विथ मी. सो दैट विथ द वर्ड. सो वो वेट कर रहा है कि कब ये वर्ड इसको रिलीज कर देगा वो रिसोर्स को, सो दैट प्रिंट ऑप्शन विल बी कंप्लीट. मतलब बोथ द प्रोसेस वांट्स टू कंप्लीट देयर प्रोसेस, but due to the lack of resource, their resource is not available with them, so they are not able to complete that process. So this type of situation where a process is waiting for a resource to complete which is held by another process, then that situation is called your deadlock situation. ओके, इसको हम कहेंगे डेडलॉक सिचुएशन. मीन्स जब तक प्रोसेस 2 को रिसोर्स 1 नहीं मिलेगा, प्रोसेस 2 इज नॉट कंप्लीट. प्रोसेस 1 को रिसोर्स 2 नहीं मिलेगा, तब तक process 1 is not complete. So this is a situation where the process never completes and it is deadlocked. So in that deadlock situation, you say that my system is hanged. What is the noise? So you are saying that, sir, my system is hanged. What does it mean? How system is hanged? System is hanged due to this reason, because if you are wanting to process execute 2 or more process at a time, then the resource sharing problem is there. If the resource sharing problem is there, so deadlock situation arises. If the deadlock situation arises, then your system become hanged. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Here the deadlock detection ways, this is the figure for deadlock detection. How we will detect a deadlock. So we can see if there is a circular queue like this. Suppose this is, you see, this is a circular queue where R2 assigned to P2, P2 wait for R1, R1 assigned to P1, P1 assigned to R2. So this is a circular queue in the same direction queue. Then you say that it is a deadlock. So how could you know it is a deadlock? Due to this circle. If this circle is there, then the deadlock situation arises. Okay. Next, if the multiple instances are there, multiple instance means, suppose I have 4 resources with me, but completely available with me 3, and I will wait for another 1 resource. So that time also my deadlock will arise. Okay. So next, here it is also process. Here also deadlock arise, because it is also form a circle. It is also form a circle here, 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 here. So it is also form a ring. So in this way, deadlock is occurs, and for deadlock handling, we have these 4 steps. One is your deadlock prevention. Deadlock prevention means we should acquire some process, we should acquire some plan so that deadlock never occur. हम लोग deadlock को occur होने ही नहीं देंगे, deadlock को prevent करेंगे. We try our best to don't put any circular, any circle in our process and your resources. So deadlock prevention करके हम deadlock handling कर सकते हैं. Deadlock avoidance, हम कौन सा सिचुएशन में डेडलॉक आ सकता है उसको आइडेंटिफाई, विल आइडेंटिफाई इट, देन विल जस्ट ब्लॉक इट. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो डेडलॉक अवॉइडेंस ऑकर्स. नेक्स्ट, डेडलॉक डिटेक्शन एंड रिकवरी. ये सब करने के बाद अगर डेडलॉक डिटेक्ट हो जाता है, देन वी हैव टू डिटेक्ट दैट डेडलॉक एंड हाउ टू रिकवरी फ्रॉम इट विल चेक. जस्ट लाइक योर बैंकिंग सिस्टम. बैंकिंग सिस्टम में अगर डेडलॉक होता है तो क्या होता है, तुम्हारा डाटाबेस जो है रोल बैक हो जाता है. रोल बैक मतलब प्रीवियस स्टेज, इट गोज टू इट्स प्रीवियस स्टेज. ओके. सपोज मैं 500 रुपया मेरे अकाउंट में डिडक्ट हो गया, लेकिन एटीएम से मेरा पैसा कट गया और मेरे अकाउंट में वो पैसा नहीं आया. देन व्हाट इट विल बी डन? सो आफ्टर 24 आवर्स my transaction will be rolled back, and my money deducted from my account, it again goes to that my previous stage. Okay, so my account will be again fulfilled with my previous amount. So deadlock detection and recovery करना है. Lastly, deadlock ignorance. अगर सारे कुछ होने के बाद अगर deadlock भी होता है, and that deadlock is not so huge, so big, then that time we should ignore this deadlock. Okay. So this is all about your deadlock detection. I have to share with you some definition. You see, what is the deadlock detection? The deadlock detection is the process of actually determining that a deadlock exists and identifying the processes and resources involved in the deadlock. Once a deadlock is detected, we need the way to recover by using several alternatives, so temporarily prevent the resources from deadlock processes. So this is called your deadlock detection. Okay, so deadlock को detect करना है और that time when deadlock occurs, what is the process, which resource the process is held up, whether it is possible to release that process or not, we have to check. So the main difference of this deadlock prevention and deadlock avoidance is, in the deadlock prevention, it ensures that at least one of the necessary conditions to cause a deadlock will never occur. Means we always avoid the circular. Suppose हम लोग पता करेंगे कि एक चीज होने से डेडलॉक हो सकता है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, कैसे वो चीज नहीं होगा, how that thing will never happen, we'll try for it. So in this way we should do the deadlock prevention. Next, if the deadlock occurs, we try how we avoid this deadlock by using this deadlock avoidance mechanism. Okay. Then, what is in operating system, how deadlock will occur? Already we see, suppose if there is more than one process and they are using the resources and that resources is held by the others, then that time we will use this, we will use a space where the resources is required for a process and that process is held by another process. So in this way, in the operating system, the deadlock occurs, and there are two schemes to prevent the deadlock. One is your wound wait and one is your wait die. Very important, two methods. What are the two methods for deadlock prevention? Very important, wound wait and wait die. What is wound wait and what is wait die? If there are two transactions Ti, Tj, and a Ti tries to lock an item X, but X is already locked by some Tj, now in such conflicting situation, the two scheme which prevents the deadlock. Wound wait means my process, I need a resource, but that resource is not with me, that resource is locked by someone else. And wait time means I will wait for that resource for so many long time, but it never come and that process become die. We should die. That's why the time sharing option we have given. You must have heard this word time sharing. What is that? What is time sharing? Time sharing means we must give some time to a process. If within that time period it is not possible to complete, then it will be simply dead state or die. There is no value of it. For example, in your exam, the exam will be 10 to 1. If we come to the exam hall at 1:05, whoever you may be, your request is not granted. So that time, this is you wait, your exam time will over. So time sharing is very much important factor in case of your operating system or in deadlock situation. So a process in operating system uses different resource and uses resources in the following way. Deadlock is a situation where a set of processes are blocked because each process is holding a resource and waiting for another resource. So for example, a process which copies files from one tape to another generally requires two tape drives. A set of processes of threads is deadlocked when each process on thread is waiting for the resource. And this is the example of the situation where deadlock occurs. So for example, a process which copies files from one tape to another generally requires two tape drive. सपोज मुझे एक फाइल को कॉपी करना है एक जगह से दूसरे जगह, तो मुझे दो चीज चाहिए, जहाँ से मैं कॉपी करूँगा, जहाँ को मैं कॉपी करूँगा, तो जो दो चीज चाहिए, या दो सीडी चाहिए, दो फ्लॉपी चाहिए, एक हार्ड डिस्क, एक पेन ड्राइव चाहिए, जो भी चाहिए मुझे दो चाहिए, एक में काम नहीं चलेगा. सो if I have not available two things, then I am unable to copy it. So a set of processes or threads is deadlocked when each process or thread is waiting for a resource to be freed, which is controlled by another process. So the OS can detect the deadlock with the help of resource allocation graph in a single instance resource type. So if a cycle is being formed in the system, then there will be definitely be a deadlock. So in order to recover the system from deadlock, the OS considers the resources or processes. So in computer science, deadlock process prevents the algorithm which is used for the concurrent programming when multiple processes must acquire more than one shared resource. Do you know what is a concurrent programming? Concurrent. Have you any idea? Concurrent. Dipanjana, any idea? Concurrent. Yes or no? Are you listening me?
Yes.
Concurrent. What is the meaning? Any idea? Very good. बोलो सही बोलो बोलो. What is concurrent?
Concurrent.
नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. Concurrent means at the same time. Concurrently at the same time. ठीक है, same time एक ही समय में अगर more than one work is done, then you say it is done concurrently or parallelly. Parallelly. आप लोग एग्जाम देते हो concurrently at the same time between 10 to 1. If your batch have 60 students, 60 students have given the exam at the same time concurrently, parallelly. ठीक है. In computer science, this deadlock prevention algorithm are used in concurrent programming when multiple processes must acquire more than one resource share. As a result, none of the processes can obtain all the resources it needs. So all the processes are blocked and all the situation becomes a deadlock situation. Is it clear? Any question till now? हाँ सर बोलो.
No, sir.
Any question you have to want?
No, sir.
Okay. So for handling this deadlock, sometimes we use some technique like we said that I discussed, we ensure the system never enter to a deadlock state. कैसे एक सिस्टम डेडलॉक स्टेज में न जाए. अगर भी चला गया, we allow the system to enter the deadlock state, then recover. Suddenly how we recover we can think. Okay. Then we ignore the problem and pretend that deadlock never occurs in the system. हमको कोशिश करना चाहिए क्या करने से डेडलॉक नहीं ऑकर होगा. ठीक है. So to prevent this deadlock, there are some mechanism we have to use. One mechanism is mutual exclusion. Mutual exclusion is a mechanism which we are using to deadlock prevention. You see, this is the one mutual exclusion. Mutual exclusion means, have you know the meaning of mutual exclusion? Mutually exhaustive and mutual exclusion. Have you heard this word, mutual exclusion? Okay. So mutual exclusion means there are no relationship in your set theory. If you know the mathematics, you know the Venn diagram. There you can hear this word mutual exclusion and mutual exhaustive. Mutual exclusion means there is no relationship between two sets. So if we require to run the process, and suppose the process 1 resource are different and process 2 resource are different, then there is no possibility of any deadlock because it is mutually exclusive. There is no relationship between these two. Next is hold and wait. Hold and wait. To prevent this condition, process must be prevented from holding one or more resource while simultaneously waiting for one or more others. So hold and wait means मुझे, जैसे तुम लोग कहीं पे जाते हो, अगर वहाँ पे फ्री में चीज मिलता है, तुम खाते भी हो और कुछ चीज अपने हाथ में भी रखते हो, पकड़ते हो ले आने के लिए, क्योंकि फ्री में मिलता है। अगर पैसा देना पड़ता वो चीज नहीं करते, लेकिन उस वजह से दूसरे लोगों को परेशानी होता है। You don't know that. Similarly, here प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, सपोज प्रोसेस को 4 रिसोर्स चाहिए, उसको 1 रिसोर्स मिल गया तो वो उसको छोड़ेगा नहीं, पकड़ के रखेगा। और जो प्रोसेस के पास 3 रिसोर्स है, ऑलरेडी ओनली 1 रिसोर्स उसको चाहिए कंप्लीट करने के लिए, जो कि P1 के पास है, लेकिन P2 उसको यूज नहीं कर पा रहा है और P2 इज नाउ वेटिंग फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम। Okay, so we should give emphasis to check on this so that hold and wait possibility will be not there. Next is no preemption. No preemption. Next is circular wait. Means circular wait is very much important and which is very much tension also. Circular wait means आपका काम हो गया, टाइम के अंदर आपने खत्म नहीं किया, अगेन यू गो टू द बैक एंड स्टैंड। आप टिकट काउंटर में खड़े हो, टिकट काउंटर वाला तुम्हें मना कर दिया कि कुछ ये तुम्हारा गलत है, सही करके लाओ। अगर तुम काउंटर के बाहर आ गए, तुम लाइन से बाहर आ गए, जब तुम दोबारा जाओगे तो पीछे लाइन, सबसे पीछे ही तुम्हारा लाइन होगा, तुम वहाँ पे अपना लाइन अगेन दोगे। दैट इज कॉल्ड योर सर्कुलर वेट। तुम्हारा टर्न खत्म हो गया, अगर तुम्हारा उस टाइम पे काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, अगेन यू गो टू द बिहाइंड एंड यू वेट फॉर योर टर्न। So this is the deadlock prevention. Okay. So this is all about your process scheduling operating system deadlock. So in the next class we will do some more. If you have any question you can ask, else we stop.